Did you know that you can take screenshots directly from Google Chrome without installing any external programs or extensions? In fact, Chrome's built-in developer tools provide 4 different ways to capture screenshots, whether it's for a specific section of the page or the entire web page. You can access developer tools in several ways: by pressing F12 on your keyboard or using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-I, or by right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect. Once developer tools are open, press the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command menu. Then, type the word screenshot, and you'll see a list of all available screenshot options. 1. Capture Area Screenshot. When you choose this option, your mouse cursor changes, allowing you to select any specific area of the page. As soon as you finish selecting, Chrome saves the screenshot automatically, either directly to your Downloads folder or by asking you to choose where to save it. Once saved, you'll find your cropped screenshot ready to use. 2. Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This option takes a screenshot of the entire web page, including the parts that are not visible on the screen and would normally require scrolling down. It's a quick way to capture everything in one clean image, and Chrome will automatically save the screenshot to your computer. 3. Capture Node Screenshot. To use this method, first press the Select Element tool or the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-C. Then hover over different sections of the page until you highlight the element you want to capture. After selecting it, open the Screenshot options again and choose Capture Node Screenshot. This will save only the highlighted element as an image. 4. Capture Screenshot. Finally, this option simply captures the visible portion of the web page that you currently see on your screen, without including the hidden parts below. You now know 4 different screenshot methods available in Chrome's developer tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel.